Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to go over a new product from Lykus. It is the Titan MM330 for the DJI Mini 3 Pro and the DJI RC combo. They do have it for the one for the RCN1 controller as well, but the one I purchased was for the one that allows me to store my RC controller as well with this. So let's get into this product. Definitely brand new product. It did take some time to receive it. It did come overseas, but I'm glad that I have it now. And let's go right through the details on this. I purchased Lykus. I did look at the other ones. PGY Tech, believe Cymic is another one that has cases out there. I got this one because of the price and because I have the same one for my Mavic 3. I bought this before. I'm all about some consistency. What I like about this to begin with is the way the latches work here. These latches you have to press in order to open them, which is a great safety feature, and I kind of like that. By the way, you also have the little button here for air, adjusting the air pressure inside this. You also have, by the way, on the outside two holes here where you could put some locks on there if you want to lock it. The inside, looking at this, construction wise, very good plastic material, very sturdy. There is a good seal around here. When you do close it, there's a rubber seal that goes around in the top of the lid here. Definitely got some nice foam for cushioning here as well. Inside the case, I like this about Lykus. They do include paper inside that shows you how you could store stuff, like where to put your drone, where to put some batteries, and where to put your other additional accessories like your propellers as well as cables. So that's kind of a good example of what you can do with the case. And inside the case, it looks like you get a shoulder strap. By the way, I did go ahead and order the shoulder strap for this particular case. If you look here on the sides, there's a slot here so that you can buy the strap. And I went ahead and purchased the strap. It's about $15, 14 and change. And so I went ahead and ordered it for this particular case. It's a small enough case that I think I could make use of the strap. I'll see when I do get it. But in case you're wondering if this has the option, being that it's a smaller case, unlike my Mavic 3, it does not have a neck strap or shoulder strap, which would make sense because it is a very big case. But in this one, you can order it, and there is a little product in here, or you can go on the Lykus website. By the way, I'll have all the links on there for you guys to check it out. Now in the box, another reason I like about this product is I like their foam. Very good quality foam, very precision cut. It's very nice overall. And by the way, there's a trick here. Most of these cases from Lykus that I do like about them is that you have the ability of actually taking out the foam insert. If for any reason you got yours damaged, you can go on site and order a replacement if you needed to. So this is definitely pretty good. There's no glue or anything on the bottom. It's just essentially a foam box that's precision cut for your drone. There's also a program that they offer so that you can go in and order different foam inserts for different types of drones. And I would check the link in my description. There are different ones, and it's dependent on the size of the case. Now, for this case, again, I like this. You've got bottom storage in here, which is below where your controller is going to go. So you normally would put your controller here, like so. In my case, I have the Sunny Life bracket for my neck strap, and what that ends up doing for me is it actually makes it kind of stick up a bit. I got this case, another reason I got this case is that I wanted to keep my sticks on the controller and not having to take them on and off all the time. There's enough space here that I could keep them in there, even with the fact that I've got the bracket here for the neck strap from Sunny Life that tends to keep it from going all the way down. Had I not had this, it will actually slide all the way down. Even with this in there, you do have some space down here for additional accessories like ND filters or anything like that. You can at least store them down here. On this here, there's another slot below where the drone would go, and that's enough space for an additional battery, although there's plenty of slots here for batteries and here. So really, it's kind of overkill, but it can be used for accessories. You can put the propellers there or put them here. So you got a choice there of where to put the propellers. Oh, by the way, another nice thing about this case that I do like, the other less expensive, like I said, there's some products like PG Tech, also Cymic, and there's some other out there, other hard case makers out there. The thing I like about Lykus is that it's got a very nice rubber handle. This is rubber, which is great, very comfortable to hold. That's another reason why I like the Lykus products. Some don't have that, and I kind of like that. That kind of shows that it's got a bit more quality than some of the other hard cases that you find out there. Another thing too here on this side, you do have the ability to take this off. Let's say you just want to do batteries, then you could put batteries here and here and here, or you can take this off. Of course, I wouldn't throw it away, but this is something you can take out of there. And the reason I would do that is that if I want to put the charging hub with my batteries in here, I have that slot available to put that in there. So that's kind of cool. Another thing cool about it is that if you have your 30 watt, I talked about this in a previous video, a 30 watt power adapter from DJI. It does fit here. It is a bit of a snug fit. I'm not kind of hot on how snug it is, but you can place it there. Although I think with the available slots that I have there and the fact that this is a little bit difficult, I probably won't do that. I'll probably just put my charging cable there and keep this in this slot here. And it looks like I need to put it in that way. And this probably doesn't fit here, but I could put it down here. So yeah, so I'll put that here. So you could put your 30 watt power adapter here, kind of shove some power cable here, and there you go. And now, another product I talked about on my other video is the Start RC propeller holder. And again, I bought this previously with the thought that I was going to have a case and I needed a slim design propeller holder that would fit well into this case. And if you notice, I got plenty of room. I haven't tried the other ones, but the fact that it's a very thin propeller holder, it fits in there nicely without problems. And I've got some finger slots here to pull this out if I need to pull it out. And it's very easy and it's not causing any problems as far as with the propellers and all that. So this works out pretty good. I definitely like this. And again, you know, I love the propeller holder because I don't have to worry about my propellers going all over the place. If I turn this or if I'm putting in there, I won't bend a propeller because of the strap that goes around that keeps it in place. But it fits there nice and snug. It is a tight fit, just so you know, it's not a very loose fit. It does feel a little bit snug, definitely precision cut. And this is pretty good overall. I like it. Like I said, you get places to put stuff. You got thumb slots there or finger slot areas that you can pull your stuff out easily. You know, like I said, if you just want to keep the charger, or if you got extra batteries, you can put your batteries there as well. They fit here. This looks like it's a tight fit. There you go. Oh, another thing, I don't have my screwdriver, but if you got your screwdriver for the propellers, it fits here in this slot right here. So you do have the room for that as well. Very roomy, very snug. Definitely works really well. Closes very nice. Again, a very nice case from Lykus. Very good product overall. Definitely good construction. The material's really good. Oh, by the way, back here on the back ends, just so you know, the rod for the hinge area is one solid rod, so definitely very sturdy, very solid. Definitely it is waterproof. You can, if you did accidentally drop this in the water, let's say you're in a boat or anything that fell in, it's not going to get your equipment wet. I would not submerge it and expect it to hold and not have water go in. Over time, like any case, water will get in. So definitely it's not meant to be submerged long term, but should it fall in the water, or you know, if you're like in the snow or something, this case is great for that. You can lay it on the floor and not worry about your equipment getting wet in any way. So definitely very good product overall. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description. It's definitely worth getting. I would order it and have it so that you can protect your gear. I use this also to store it in my studio. I'll put it in the cabinet and have it in there to pretty much know that I've got my stuff stored safely. So I do use this, and sometimes I'll use my backpack. It depends on the situation, but definitely this case is a very good product. Again, this is from Lykus. Very good products from them, and the price is very decent, and that's one of the many reasons why I purchased from them. So don't forget to click on the like, and please subscribe. Again, it does help my channel if you subscribe, and that way you can get informed of any additional videos. I do have more videos coming up, and I hope you guys benefit from these product reviews. I hope it helps you out in making your decision. And again, thanks for watching my video, and have a good day.